Hi, I am Professor Ducky, and today we are going to learn about various modes of transport. Let's begin our adventure with exciting air transport. I am an airplane. I fly high in the sky and carry passengers across cities and countries quickly. I am a helicopter. I can fly straight up and down and land almost anywhere to help and rescue people. I am a fighter jet. I fly extremely fast and help protect my country during defense missions. I am a seaplane. I can take off from and land on both water and land where runways are not available. I am a glider. I glide smoothly through the sky using the wind, with little or no engine power. I am a hot air balloon. I carry people gently through the sky for beautiful views and adventures. I am a space shuttle. I carry astronauts, machines, and supplies from Earth to space and back again. I am a cargo plane, a special airplane that carries packages, goods, and supplies around the world. I am a cable car. I carry people over mountains, valleys, and steep slopes using strong cables. Come on, little ducklings. Now, let's discover the wonderful world of land transport. I'm a car. I help families travel together from one place to another conveniently and safely. I am a bus. I carry many people together to schools, offices, and different places every day. I am a truck. I carry heavy goods, furniture, and supplies from one place to another. I also transport materials like cement, sand, rocks, soil, and garbage. I am a bicycle. I help people travel short distances while getting healthy exercise. I am a kick scooter. I help you ride to your friends' homes and make short trips fun and easy. I am a van, bigger than a car. I carry families, passengers, or goods with plenty of space inside. I am a train. I travel on tracks and carry many passengers and goods across long distances comfortably. I am a subway. I travel underground and help people reach their destinations quickly in busy cities. I am a motorcycle. I carry one or two people quickly on roads and highways. I am a jeep. I travel easily on rough roads, hills, and through forests where other vehicles cannot go. I am an ambulance. I quickly take sick or injured people to hospitals for medical care. I am a tractor. I help farmers plow fields and pull heavy loads around the farm. I am a fire engine. I carry firefighters and equipment to put out fires and help people in emergencies. I am a RV. I take families on trips and give them a cozy place to sleep, eat, and relax while traveling. I am an ATV. I ride over dirt, sand, mud, and bumpy trails where regular vehicles cannot go. I am a war tank. I move over rough ground and help keep soldiers safe during important missions. I am a carriage. I carry people while being pulled by horses through roads and villages. a forklift. I lift and move heavy boxes and materials in warehouses and factories. Wow, that was exciting. Now it's time to sail away and learn about water transport. I am a cruise ship, a floating hotel where people eat, play, and enjoy long holiday trips on the ocean. I am a cargo ship. I carry huge containers and goods from one country to another across the sea. I am a motorboat. I carry people quickly across rivers, lakes, and seas using a powerful engine. I am a rowboat. I move through the water when people row me with oars. I am a canoe. I help people enjoy nature while paddling across the water. I am a kayak. I am small, fast, and perfect for exciting water adventures. I am a yacht, a luxury boat with cozy and comfortable spaces for people to relax and enjoy the water. I am a ferry. I am a large boat that carries people, vehicles, and goods safely across the water. I am a rescue boat. I move quickly to rescue people during floods, storms, and water accidents. I am a jet ski. I glide quickly across the water and take people on exciting rides. I am a hovercraft. I glide smoothly over land, ice, water, and mud on a cushion of air. I am a submarine. I travel deep underwater for Navy missions and ocean exploration. I am a tugboat, a small but powerful boat that helps move large ships safely in harbors and ports. I am a barge. I transport heavy goods like sand, coal, and big containers along rivers and canals. I am a warship, a powerful Navy ship. I help protect my country and keep the seas safe. Subscribe to our channel to learn more.